Alright. Bright and early in the AM. Here we go. Good morning, Hannah.
Good morning.
Starting your day off with the tea.
Got my on fire. That's what happened. And then I remembered.
All right, today I'm crossing off a bucket list item of mine. It's been on there for quite a while. I figure it's time to get it done. Doing a 14 to 15 mile out and back hike from Tenaya Lake to Clouds Rest. It's been a little while since I've done a little film on a day hike, so we're gonna do that today. Sunrise over Yosemite Valley should be gorgeous. Got up early for this, so we're gonna go get some nature love.
Was walking by the ocean, feeling all emotion when she came right up next to me. I got caught up in the moment, felt like we were frozen, like it was literally meant to be. The time stood still right there. Time stood still right there. We rode the sun, we became one. So connected, it must have been our destiny. And now I know I'll never let this ever end in somewhere other than next to me. 'Cause time